Hello students, in the previous videos we had done the revision of EVS from lesson 1st to 5th. We have done enough revision, but still now from the textbook we'll do the revision lesson wise of 1 to 5th chapter. Okay? First, write true or false for each statement. We are grown up when we are born. Now, when we are born, are we grown up? No. So, the statement is false. So, when we are writing the spelling of false or true, please see the questions. Again and again, I am repeating this so that you should not make any mistakes during exam time. Our parents look after us when we are young. When we are young, who's taking care of us? Our parents are taking care. You can see in this picture, our parents are taking care of us. So, whatever statement is written is true. A baby looks like people in other families. Now, when a baby is there, or you are there now, do you look like other family people? No. So, this statement is false. We look like mother or father when we grow up. Now you are small, but when you grow up, you will look like your mother or father. Yes. So it is true. Members of a family do not look like each other. Now this statement is saying that members of the family, this member or this member, they are not looking like each other. In fact, we are looking like each other, no? Like you may be looking like your mother or father. Face looks somewhat like mother or father. So the statement is wrong. So false. Now answer the following questions. Give two things a baby cannot do when he is born. When the baby is born, what the baby cannot do? A baby cannot eat on his own. A baby cannot walk on his own. You can see here. A baby cannot eat on his own. The baby cannot walk on his own. And the baby cannot have bath on his own, take medicine on his own, or sleep on his own. So, any two you have to write. Give two ways in which parents look after their baby. Now, how the parents look after their baby? Here you can see again this picture only. So parents give medicine to their baby when he or she is unwell, and parents give bath to their baby. You can write any of the five. From this picture, you just recollect. You can write any, like parents feed the baby, parents give bath to the baby, parents give medicine to the baby, parents help the baby to walk, or parents help the baby to sleep. So you can write any two. What does a baby do before he begins to walk? So before the baby begins to walk, what the baby does? Crawls. A baby learns to crawl before he begins to walk. So this was of the revision of the first lesson. Now we'll go to the second lesson revision. In this parts of the face, head, this is hair, eyes, tongue, nose, and ears. So this is very simple. So you should not make any mistake here. You know the parts of your body, no? Same way you have to put it here in the picture. In exam, it will come a dash like this. You have to write the answers. In the exam it will be question mark. Teacher will give the picture of the face and you have to write it. Now we'll see the exercise from the textbook. Write true or false. Our nose helps to move food in the mouth. Our nose is helping the food. Nose is helping the food to put in the mouth. No. So it is false. This is false. Our skin is waterproof. Yes, it is true. Waterproof means the skin does not allow water to go in or out through it. So it is true. We feel hotter when we sweat. See students, when we sweat means पसीना आता है. We feel hotter? No, we feel cool from inside. अपना in our body becomes cool from inside when it is giving sweat. Sweat means pasina, I told you. So it is false. We use our hands to hold things. We are using our hands to hold things. See, you can see in this picture, we are using our hand to hold thing. Okay, you are using hand. So it is true. We must include special children in our games. In the games, should we include such children, special children? Yes. So it's true. Now fill in the blanks with the words given in the clue. In exam, we don't give this. Now you will have become big, second standard. So we don't give this. You have to write on your own, understand the sentence and write. Our body has dash parts that help us doing things. So our body is having what? Many parts. So parts. Our nose helps to smell and dash. What is the work of the nose? You just think what your nose is doing. Helping to smell and breathe. Our dash helps us to taste food and move it around. Now what is helping to taste? Tongue. And the tongue is helping the food to go inside the inside. Our whole body is covered by dash. Full body is covered by what? Skin. We use our dash to walk and run. What we are using to walk and run? Legs. You can see here. We are using legs to stand, to walk, to run, to jump, to play. Fine. Now we'll do the revision of the third lesson. Write true or false for each statement. We wear clothes to protect our self. So why we are wearing clothes? Why we are wearing clothes? To protect our self from cold, heat, dust, insects. So it's true. We wear the same clothes at home and in school. So when you go to school and when you come back, when you go to school you are wearing uniform. When you come back from school, you are at home, you are wearing the same uniform? No. So this statement is false. Indian women usually wear a sari. Now Indian woman is wearing mostly sari, no? When you see around you, when you look anywhere, you can see most of the ladies, they wear sari. So this statement is true. Men wear caps and turbans on their arms. Now men are wearing cap and turban, this feta on their arm means हाथ पे बांधते हैं क्या? No. So this is false. Now answer the following. Why do we need to wear clothes? Now you ask yourself why you are wearing clothes. We need to wear clothes to protect ourselves. Ourselves means खुद को from cold, rain, heat, dust and insects. Yes or no? See, you are during now rainy season is going on. If it's raining, what you'll do? You'll wear raincoat, or you want to protect yourself. And see, during summers, if it is very hot, what you do? You wear clothes, cotton clothes, so that if it is your body is sweating a lot, that cotton clothes will absorb the sweat. During winter, if it is very cold, what you'll do? You'll wear sweater, woolen clothes, isn't it? So, and in this way we are wearing different types of clothes to protect ourselves, खुद को बचाने के लिए. When do we wear a uniform? Now you are small in school, so why you when you are wearing uniform? When you go to school. At home also you are wearing uniform? No. So we wear a uniform when we go to school. When do grown-ups wear a uniform? Now, big people, when they wear uniform. Everyone's parents wear uniform? No. Everyone's parent doesn't wear uniform. Only if they are doing some special work, then only they are going to wear a uniform. Like the policeman, nurse, soldier, postman, doctor, pilot. When they do the special work, then only they wear uniform. What do men in India wear? Means gents, what they wear in India? Men in India wear shirt with trouser. You can see shirt with trousers, or a kurta and dhoti, or they wear kurta and dhoti. You can see here kurta and dhoti, here also kurta and dhoti. Pajama or lungi. Some people wear pajama or lungi. Lungi or dhoti is one and the same. Many of them wear caps or turban. Some people wear caps like this, like people in villages of Maharashtra wear like this caps, and Punjabi Sikh people, they wear this turban, and Rajasthan people in Rajasthan also wear turban like this. Now this is a word box, and they have given the words. This will not come in exam. This is just for your this, so that you can play and you learn also, and your like concentration power will improve. When you look continuously, you get the answers, see properly. Now shirt, where you can see shirt here. Then dhoti is here, it is still here, sorry, dhoti, dhoti. Pajama here, pyjama, pajama, sorry, not y, pajama. Then kurta, kurta. Kurta. Turban is turban here, turban, turban. Then skirt, skirt, skirt. And trousers, trousers, trousers. Okay, now we'll do lesson 4 exercise. Complete the sentence. Now we complete the sentence. In this, only this much will be given, everything you have to write. We need food. Now why we need food? We need food to grow, to get energy for work, and to remain healthy. So first is to grow, to get energy for work, and to remain healthy. That is why we are eating food, no? 2 sources of food are, from where we get food? We get food from plants, we get food from animals. So plants and animals. The kind of food plants that grow in a place depends on the type of soil and climate there. So, different people eat different types of food. Why? Like some people only eat chapati, some people eat mostly rice. Now, people in Rajasthan they wear dal bati and all. So, you're eating rice. So, why? Because the soil there is different, and in that soil only particular type of crops will only grow. Everything cannot be grown in one type of soil. So different places different things grow. For example, like people living in North India, they eat chapatis made from wheat. Why? Because wheat grows more there. Then people in eastern and southern part of India eat rice because rice is grown more there. Then people in Rajasthan eat wheat, jawar and bajra because in Rajasthan more wheat and jawar and bajra is growing because of the soil and the climate there. And people living near sea coast, your means sea coast, they eat fish. Why? Because uh, sea is there. In sea what you get? Fish. So people staying in different places eat different things depending upon the soil and climate. Now vegetarians are people who are vegetarian, who are eating food that comes from plants. They are known as vegetarians. Okay, so vegetarians are people who eat food grown on plants. Now name the following two cereals. Two, I told you know whatever in the thali. In the last video I had shown this picture. Chapati, the chapati is made of different this grains like wheat, rice, bajra, jawar, maize, makai, nachni. So that is known as cereal. So wheat, rice, here only two is asked, so you have to write any two pulses. Now you are eating dals. Dal can be many types. Dal, it can be tur dal, masoor dal, moong dal, chana dal, rajma. So many types of dals are there. Udid dal. So any dal you write, no problem, but you should know the spelling. So here I have written tur and masoor. An animal that gives us milk. Who gives us milk? Cow gives us milk. So cow. An animal that gives us meat. Goat. Now goat gives milk also, and it is giving meat also. So you can write goat. An animal that gives us eggs. Who gives us eggs? Hen gives us eggs. So write hens. People who do not eat meat, those who don't eat this, they are known as vegetarian. Now write true or false for each statement. We eat food to get energy. We are eating food to get energy. You see, we are eating food. Why? To get energy. Yes. So it's true. We get our food only from plants. We get food only from plants? No, we get from animals also. So this statement is false. Dal is a cereal. This dal is a cereal. Cereals are this. So all dals are pulses, not cereals. So it is false. All places grow the same kind of food, same kind of plants for food. Everywhere in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, South India, East India, Central India, North India, everywhere same thing is growing? No. So it is false. Rice is popular in South India. In South India, rice, people there eat more rice? Yes. So it is true. Fish is common in Rajasthan. Is there a sea there in Rajasthan, near Rajasthan? No. So they don't eat fish. They eat wheat, jawar and bajra more there. So it is false. Now we'll do the fifth lesson revision. Fifth lesson revision we'll do from the exercise. Write true or false for each statement. We should eat only one kind of food. This statement is saying that only one type of food you should eat only. Suppose those who are eating rice dal, every day rice dal only they should eat, or some are eating chapati and bhaji only, they should not eat the rice and dal. So they are saying only one type of food you should eat. So this is false. You should eat all type of food. Food must be kept covered. Yes, food should be always kept covered if you are not using it. Like when you are not eating, keep it covered. Stale food is good for us. Stale means the food that is spoiled. Spoiled means kharab ho gaya hai. That is good for us? No. So false. We must wash our hands before we eat food. Yes, before we eat food we should wash our hands. So true. We need to drink water to stay healthy. Yes, water is very very important for our body. So it is true. Now here this will not come in exam, but we'll do it. Answer yes or no. Now here only yes or no is asked. For the list of healthy food habit. First, do you have a proper breakfast in the morning? Do you have some children, they don't eat breakfast only. Is it good? No. But if you are having proper breakfast, so it is good habit. So yes. Do you have lunch and dinner at the same times every day? So yes. Like every day at 12 o'clock in the afternoon we eat lunch. At 8:30 evening time, night time we are eating dinner. So that same time, any time of the day do we eat? No. So this is a good habit. So yes. Do you eat only the food you like? No. Sometimes we eat food which we don't like also we eat. Why we eat? So that nutrients, our body should get the nutrients, no? That is why we are eating all types of food. Do you drink milk every day? Yes, it's a good habit. Do you eat from roadside vendor? Means roadside, those who are selling food on road? No. Do you keep your nails short and clean? Do you keep nails short and clean? Yes. Do you wash your hands before meals? Means before having food? Yes. Do you sit at the table while eating? Yes. Some people maybe children may means if you don't have dining table you may be sitting down, no problem, that is also a good habit, but sitting in a proper place to eat. Do you eat and from someone else's plate? No, that is a bad habit. You should eat from your plate only. See, this is eating from one plate, both are eating from one plate, it is a bad habit. Do you drink plenty of water? Yes, it's a good habit. Now tick the pictures that show safe handling of food. This will also not come for exam, but you should be aware of it. Now keeping the food in fridge is good. Yes. Washing hand is good habit. Yes. Then eating from the same plate is good. No. So cross. Buying things from roadside, bad habit. So wrong. Okay. So students, we have finished with a revision of first and to fifth lesson. We have done enough revision of all these lessons. So thank you students.